Having a complete version of your resume will make a good first impression and will show all your abilities for employers and agencies once you apply to them. Choose one job title at a time to start your search. Even if you have a variety of skill sets, work on each job title separately. Use the most common job titles related to your targeted job, using quotation marks to make sure the jobs will appear in the order of words you are looking for. Use similar words that could represent the job you are looking for. Spending a little time searching for different titles can help you find more opportunities. Filters help you refine the search with your preferences. Try adding filters that really make a difference for you when it comes to your next assignment. You can choose the job boards that have most updated opportunities on your preferred location. Start by searching the job title you are interested in and the location on Google alongside the word jobs. Make a list of companies you would like to work for. Review jobs directly on their websites, but also include these company names in your job search criteria. Remember, your job can change your life drastically. If you don't want to move, don't apply for a position in another location. Set aside moments of your day to look for new opportunities. Create a network, talk to people, find a place where you can think and use your experience and creativity to help you track down the next opportunity. Feel free to look at our website or contact our recruiters to check on new great opportunities at jobs.airswift.com.